What a beautiful view from our office this morning. We're collaborating with the Alexander Farm here in Grant County on a bale grazing project where the cattle are being turned into bales set out at two different densities or rates. We have a 4-ton rate and a 2-ton rate of bales per acre, and we're evaluating soil fertility and nutrient distribution from these sites. We had a lane set up to the water. The cows started at the far end on the 4-ton per acre rate. We had a lane set up that we have some disturbance and mud. We had some rain and snow a few days ago. We actually had to start feeding bales here on this farm on December 13th. Stefan Kramen is the collaborator, and he normally does an excellent job with grazing management and extending the grazing well into the winter. This year with our severe drought, we had to start feeding hay much earlier than normal. Here the cows are moving into the next 4 bales. Stefan's pulling down the poly wire, and we'll put round bale rings around the bales. The cows will have access to these 4 for a day and then get moved on to the next 4 bales. The bales on your right across the fence are going to be the next paddock move, and Stefan normally unrolls the bales. He feels that he doesn't have as much damage when the soils are wetter from unrolling the bales and providing nutrients that way. Out on this end, you can see the 4-ton per acre rate that has already been grazed. There were 2 rows of bales, one to the left of the trees and one to the right of the trees on this top of the mountain here. From this point, you can actually see into Petersburg, and you can see Moorfield as well. Here is the 4-ton per acre rate. This is from the cows grazing for 1 day on these bales, and it's going to be interesting to pull the soil samples next spring.